Hello, I'm Kelly Wilson, and I'm a registered dietitian and certified lifestyle medicine practitioner at Trinity Health, Ann Arbor. Lifestyle medicine is a medical subspecialty that uses evidence-based information in 6 key pillars to treat, reverse, and prevent chronic illness and promote whole person health. Nutrition, specifically a whole food, plant-forward dietary pattern, is a critical component of lifestyle medicine. One question our team gets asked a lot is how to cook for 1 or 2 people. Cooking for one can sometimes be a challenge, especially if it's new territory for you. To help make it easier, I wanted to share a few tips. To start, keep balanced nutrition in mind. A well-rounded meal includes ample vegetables and fruits, a moderate portion of protein, and whole grains. Consider the foods you enjoy in each of the categories just mentioned and plan out your grocery list. At the grocery store, consider buying from the bulk bins or salad bar sections so you can purchase items in the exact quantity you need. If that isn't an option, consider freezing a portion of the food purchased in larger packages. Just make sure to label and date what you freeze so you don't forget what it is. Another strategy is to stock up on shortcuts to save you time and energy. Some of our favorites are microwavable frozen vegetables, microwavable whole grain packets, low sodium canned beans, and pre-cut produce. You can also consider splitting groceries that come in larger packages with a friend or neighbor to ensure you don't end up with more than you need. Now, when it's time to cook, there are several ways you can make it easier on yourself. 1. Batch cook, essentially cooking once and getting several meals. Most recipes are written to feed about 4 people, so making a few different recipes will give you a variety of leftovers that you can eat throughout the week, freeze, remember to date and label, or swap with friends and neighbors. 2, if you like to cook more frequently, don't love planning ahead, or don't have the fridge or freezer space to store leftovers, simply make a half or third portion of a recipe. 3, another great way to still enjoy cooking but not be overwhelmed by leftovers is to share meals with your neighbors and friends. Eating together with others is a great way to get the social connection that is so important for our cognitive, physical, and emotional health. Cooking for 1 or 2 doesn't have to be overwhelming, and hopefully these tips will help make it easier and more enjoyable for you. Happy cooking! For more information about Trinity Health Ann Arbor's lifestyle medicine programs, please visit trinityhealthmi.org/THAA lifestyle medicine.